Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Mr. Tulsian, I first wanted your thoughts on Mahindra and Mahindra. I mean, you liked this stock in the past, has been one of your top picks. At current levels, you maintain the positive view?
Yes, still, and that was our call, that if you really see the kind of growth which they've shown in the farm equipment, the tractor sales on the absolute number and even the relative growth as compared to Escorts has been seen better, and unfortunately the stock has not participated, but having gone ex-bonus and thereafter the stock is seen to be on the buying mode by the institutional investors and all. Maybe HNIs also have started lapping it, maybe some PMS buying is seen. So we are quite positive, and once you have a good monsoon forecast, obviously the sales numbers for the month of April and May for the tractor segments are seen to be quite good, and even on their PV segments also the company has been doing quite well. So taking overall call, I think they have advantage of both PV as well as farm equipment, and definitely the buying call on the stock continues to remain, having initiated by us earlier.
Okay, that's a positive view on Mahindra and Mahindra. Anand, good afternoon. I want to take this conversation on pharma forward with you. On the point that Anuj made, I was also noticing these stocks. A lot of mid-cap pharma stocks are up and about today. Jubilant Life Sciences, I'm seeing Indoco move now. The large caps like Cipla, Lupin, they're also seeing some buying.
The other space that has done well today is cement, led by the big one, Ultratech Cement. That's up about close to 2%. In the cement pack, what would be your top 2 or 3 buy ideas?
So if you really want to make money, then one has to really hunt for the smaller cement space. Maybe the results have not been yet out for the majority of the company. Only 2 results have come. One is ACC, second is of Shree Digvijay Cement. And if you really take a call on both have really cheered exceedingly well. But taking a call on Shree Digvijay Cement, where in fact we have initiated a buy call, the company has really shown a dramatic turnaround. And if you see the YOY growth in their Q4, a 1400% growth, and it's a multinational company with a Brazilian parent holding 75%. They have the huge presence in the building material world over with a capacity of 60 million ton, 58 million ton globally, and this is a very small plant, 1.2 million ton, and they had problem since they acquired this company in 2012 from Aditya Birla Group company, who couldn't turn around, or probably that was a too small a unit for them. Similar is the case with maybe taking cue from ACC. I think the Ultratech Cement, Ramco, Shree Cement and India Cement, all these 4 players, who have a capacity of more than 25 million ton are going to perform very well. But taking a cue from the mid-size cement companies, maybe one has to keep an eye on the Sanghi Industries and JK Cement, because if you take a call on JK Cement, again it's an excellent company having a capacity of 12-13 million ton. They have 45% market share of white cement also, and probably they can really cheer the market with extremely good numbers for this Q4 as well as for Q1, because going forward we have the visibility for the excellent numbers from across the board from all the cement companies. Coming specifically on the same mid-size cement capacity space, I am keeping an eye on Century Textile, which have again shown a dramatic improvement in their EBITDA margin for the cement segment for last 2 quarters, because of the focus of the AV Birla Group, now seen taking in that company again. The performance will be seen quite high. So we have across the board been keeping extremely positive. It is a matter of choice that what kind of company you prefer. If you really want to go for the higher, relatively better performance, I think this mid and small size companies can give much larger gains. As I said, Shree Digvijay Cement has already risen by about 20% in last couple of days. But still we see this company, because if you take the PAT margin of 7%, which are comparable with any large player, I am talking PAT margin, which is seen from the ACC or maybe Ultratech or maybe Ambuja. If you have the same kind of performance posted by these companies also, you have ample room for appreciation going forward. So we are keeping extremely positive view on hopes of better Q4 numbers as followed by better Q1 numbers as well.
On this call on Century Textiles, Mr. Tulsian, you reckon this stock can go back to its previous highs? Because I remember it had gone to 1500, 1600 and after that has corrected as well.
I think it is just a matter of time, because if you really take 3 verticals there, one is paper, second is cement and third is real estate. Cement, I have already spoken, they have 13-14 million ton capacity. Their real estate vertical is really doing well. They have already leased out 2 lakh square feet at Prabhadevi, that is Century Aurora, and the second real estate property at Worli is gradually getting leased out, and eventually Maybe in this FY18, the leasable area in that space, that pocket, can rise to about 6 to 7 lakh square feet. Third is the paper, which is again doing very well because of their tissue paper capacity of 36,000 ton and writing printing paper of 2 lakh ton. And the third and the fourth vertical, which is the best part, is their Century Rayon, Kalyan division, which they've leased out to Grasim Industries and received an upfront payment of 800 crore. They've in fact realized the entire 15 years conducting fee or maybe leasing fee of that plant, and obviously keeping the land rights with them only. So 600 rupees up, 15 years royalty plus 200 crore interest-free deposit having received by the company in this Q4, will see their interest liability also getting reduced in FY19 to the extent of about 80 to 100 crores, and on an equity base of about 120 crore, that straightway gives an EPS accretion of about 7-8 rupees. So taking all, I think they are firing on all cylinder. I won't be surprised to see again, Century Textile giving a gain of 40% in this financial year, as I've indicated for Godrej Industries. So this is also on our high priority list of recommendation, and we are quite bullish because it seems that Century is ruling at its lower end and capable to give 35 to 40% gain from the current price in this FY19.